Start by wrapping your thread at the beginning of the hook back to the bend of the hook, and then trim off the excess thread. Now we're going to want to tie in a small copper wire to the bend of the hook. Select about 5 to 7 pheasant tail fibers. The length of the tail is going to be roughly half the length of the shank. And we're going to want to tie that onto the bend of the hook. Once it's secure, pull the pheasant tail fibers out of the way and wrap your thread halfway up the shank of the hook. And take your pheasant tail and wrap it around to where you stopped your thread, and then secure your pheasant tail to the hook. Once it's secure, take your copper wire and begin wrapping it toward the middle of the hook. Once it's there, secure it down. Once you've secured the copper wire, trim everything off. Select a few more strands of pheasant tail to make the wing casing and the legs. This is also where you would want to put a flashback if you were to make a flashback pheasant tail. Secure your pheasant tail to the hook. And snip off the excess pheasant tail. Now you want to take a couple strands of peacock and secure it to the thorax of the pheasant tail. Begin by wrapping the peacock around the hook and build up that thorax. Once it's built up, tie it off and clip off the rest of the peacock. From there, we're going to take the back fibers of that pheasant tail that we tied on just a moment ago, pull them forward and secure it down for our wing casing. And with the fibers that are sticking out, each side pull a few fibers back and secure it down, which will give our pheasant tail legs. Whip finish, and we have ourselves a pheasant tail. Keep in mind that with every nymph that we're showing you how to tie, you can also add a bead head, making it a bead head pheasant tail if you